Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set up your Bell Wi-Fi pod step by step. First, you need to make sure your main Bell Home Hub modem is installed and working properly. The modem should be active and connected to the internet. Next, you need to download the Bell Wi-Fi app. You can find it in the App Store if you have an iPhone or in Google Play if you have an Android device. Now take your Wi-Fi pods and plug them into power outlets. For the first setup, it is best to place the pods close to your main modem. This helps them get a strong initial connection. Once the setup is complete, you can move the pods to their final locations around your home. After the pods are powered on, open the Bell Wi-Fi app on your mobile device. Log in using your MyBell credentials. Once you are logged in, go to the Adapt section in the app. Look for the menu, which appears as 3 dots, and select either Locate and Name Pods or Add a Pod, depending on what you see. To activate a pod, keep your mobile device close to it. The app will detect the pod and connect to it automatically. Thanks for watching.